ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन बनने का सपना जो है ये आपने कैरी कैसे किया एंड आपके माइंड में ये स्ट्रोक कैसे हुआ कि आपको इन फ्यूचर ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन बनना है?
बेसिकली आई एम born in doctor's family. अब मेरे दोनों पेरेंट्स डॉक्टर है. My father is orthopedic surgeon, so he is the senior most orthopedic surgeon. So I have been from the beginning, जैसे school और college में I have been seeing my parents the same profession. So I got a liking for it. और starting में when I was in school also I used to make bone models और circulation model जिसको मेरे 7th क्लास में भी अवार्ड मिला था. So these are the things जो शुरू से ही एक साइंस के तरफ मेरे को इंटरेस्ट रहा. साइंस, एनाटमी. So basically when in inter also जब हमारे पास स्कूल में कॉलेज में भी used to do dissections of frog या earthworm, so I was very good at it. So even in anatomy I used to like very much study with skeletons and other things. So orthopedic is like in born in my genes बोल सकते हैं. So it is my passion basically from the beginning. क्या है कि unless you have a liking for the field you cannot do justice.
Right.
So I am been very fortunate कि the field we choose I like. So this is I had a passion for this field from the beginning, anatomy, science. So that is the field only I am doing. So that is what makes me very happy, and by God's grace I am there in this field. So I am continuously trying to upgrade and do my best in